Yeah, good evening to all. This session is especially for school or college studying students only in English medium. We discussed in the previous classes quiz of social sciences and science. This session, our class test consists of aptitude and logical reasoning part 1. So what is the level of mathematics knowledge or arithmetic or which school standard knowledge is required to answer these questions? Fifth standard and above can answer these questions. So even primary students can also these questions. This type of questions these questions are taken from the previous year questions from competitive examination like SSC examination or UPSC examination or your NTSC examination. Many questions are from your NTSC examinations, National Talent Search examinations. So what is the answer for this question? The first question's alignment is bad. Other questions okay. The first questions are allowed. So what is the answer for this question mark? What alphabet should appear in the question mark? A, D, H, F, I, M, question mark, N, R. So what should come in the place of question mark? So the reasoning questions are, answering the reasoning questions are directly proportional to your level of IQ. What do you mean by IQ? The intelligent quotient. No reasoning questions can be answered by the computers. So reasoning questions are answered only by the human being. They're using your reasoning skill, logical and analytical thinking. Okay, right. So understand? See the first row. A, after that D, after that H is there. So therefore, now we know that A, B, C, D, C and D is not there. So therefore, after A, D appears. Therefore, it is A plus 3. A plus third letter is D. D plus fourth letter is H. E, F, G, H. Similarly, F plus third letter is I plus fourth letter is M. And similarly, so therefore, here you should get the N, the third letter before N. So therefore, it's this K is the answer. So what is the answer for this question? Something. So the center number is 1. That means these numbers are related to these 1, 6, 5, 2, 3, 4. So we can see many questions of this type. So then only people understand. This is 1, 3, 1. So see the difference between 1 and 2. What is the difference between 1 and 2? The difference between 1 and 2 is 1. Difference between 6 and 3 is 3. The difference between 5 and 4 is 1. Similarly, 2 and 4, 2. 2 and 6, 4. And 0 and 8, 8. Similarly, 5 and 7, 2. You answer now. Now answer. What is the answer? I told you everything. So therefore, 5 and 7. The difference is 2. 3 and 9. What's the difference? Then 3 and 1. What is the difference? Find the question mark. So what will come in the question mark? Appear. Which alphabet will appear in the place of question mark? So which number will appear in the place of the question mark? Z, after that U, then Q, then question mark, then L is there. So here the alphabets are written in the reverse order. It is very difficult for us to find the alphabets in the reverse order, even enumerate the alphabets in the reverse order. So therefore go from this side. For example, Q, Q, R, S, T. Say here Q, R, S, T, U. So therefore Q plus 4. Q plus 4 is U. Similarly, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is Q is U. U plus 5 is Z. Therefore, this must be this plus 3. This must be this plus 2. So therefore, L plus 2. So L plus 2 is what? M and N. So everyone answered correctly this question. So this again plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Q plus 2 S. S plus 2 U. S plus 2 means what? Next letter of S. U. Then U plus 2 W. Then even P plus R also P plus 2, P plus 2. So everyone, this is also P plus 2, this is also O plus 2. So this, in this way, W plus 2 is, it starts with Y. So only one option starts with Y. Therefore, you can answer this option in the examination hall without checking X and W by saving the time. So therefore, the answer is Y, X, W. Okay. So any questions, you can answer me. If you could not understand also, you can answer me. You can type me. What is the answer for this? So here, this is a easy questions. What number will come in the question mark here? What number will appear in the question mark? Whenever you see this type of questions, you can answer this one. You can add these two numbers, whether it is coming like that, or see the difference, r square, r cube, or either way. So if I add 28, but I am getting 14. If I add 30, I am getting 15. So I got the answer. So what is the answer? Very good. So the number written here are the average of these two numbers, or add the numbers divided by 2. That's all. So therefore, I got 16 here. Therefore, here it should be 32. Therefore, half of 32 is equal to 16. So therefore, this is 10. So therefore, what number will appear in the question mark? Therefore, the answer is 22. Correct? So please carefully note the questions. I'll ask similar test by changing the numbers in the next class. So therefore, everyone must answer correctly. Similar questions, not ditto, not same question. So therefore, the answer is 22. Next, what is the answer for this? This is simple. So the logic can be anything. You are supposed to find the pattern. In what pattern the numbers are related. The 916 are what, in what way 916 are related to 3 and 4. 4 and 36 are related to 2 and 6. So whenever I see 4 and 36, something related to 2 and 6. So 2, 4, so 6 squared is 36. Similarly, your mind, you must train your mind in such a way that as soon as you see this type of questions, you are able to decipher the idea, decipher the pattern. See here, you see here 3 is there, here 9 is there. So therefore, it looks what, in what way 3 is related to 9? It is a perfect square. Square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16. So therefore, 9 and 16. So square of 2, 4, square of 6, 36, 1 square 1, 5 square 25. So therefore, the answer should be 125. Fine. Okay. Next question. Which of the following diagrams represent the relationship of an elephant, carnivorous, tiger? You may be knowing what is the meaning of carnivorous. So what are the carnivorous? Carnivorous are the animals, are living beings which fed on other animals. I can say that carnivorous are non-vegetarians. Now what is the answer? Which of the following diagrams represent? Each circle represent this one. One circle may represent elephant, another circle may represent carnivorous, another circle may represent tiger. So we all know that tiger is a carnivorous. So a carnivorous must be a bigger one. Tiger must be a inside, because there are many carnivores are there. And elephant is what? Elephant is different. Okay, so therefore no connection between these two. Carnivorous, elephant is not a carnivorous, elephant is a herbivorous. So therefore the answer must be B. Understood? Herbivorous. So therefore the answer must be. So for logical reasoning questions, you must be knowing some of the general knowledge also. General knowledge, GK part also. Especially the relations these type of questions. Okay, next question. Which of the following diagrams represents the relationship of Earth, Sea, Sun? Answer this question. Earth, Sea and the Sun. Relationship of Earth, Sea and the Sun. We all know that sea appears on the Earth. Sun is different. So therefore this is similar to the previous questions. So therefore this is Earth, this is sea, this circle represents Sun. So therefore the answer is C is the answer. This is ditto, similar to the previous one, correct? Okay, next question. If P is the husband of Q, R is the mother of S. R is the mother of S and Q. Then what is R to P? R, in what way R is related to P? In what way R is related to P? Or how P calls R? Or how P calls R? What way R is related to P? Good. Everyone answered option D. I think that's the correct answer. P is the husband of Q. So therefore, I can say P equal to Q. So when I say round means female, square means male. So P is the husband of Q, equal to means they are husband and wife. P is the husband of Q and R is the mother of S. R is the mother of S and Q. So this is R. R is the mother, therefore I put round. R is the mother of S and Q. So S also. I do not know the gender of S. Maybe a male or female. So S must be the brother or sister of Q. Okay. Now in what is R is related to P? So R is related to P. Therefore wife mother is what? Mother-in-law. Good. Perfect. Super. Everyone answered correctly. Next question. Answer this. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W are sitting around a round table in the same order. Please note that in the same order. This need not be in the same order. In this questions, it is given a same order. Therefore, you can put a circle and equally space the P, Q, R, S, T 8 persons. Maybe in the directions, because we have 8 directions. Therefore, in this way, you can arrange them for a group discussion. It's equal distance. Their positions are clockwise. If V sits in the north, then what will be the position of S? If V sits in the north, then what will be the position of S? Therefore, put V here. V sits in north. This is north. This is south, east, west. This is north, east. This is south, east, southwest. This one is what? Northwest. This way. So 8 persons. You can easily answer the question. So what is the answer for this one? So V here. So W here. So this way. They are sitting in this order around here in the same order. So P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Therefore, S. This is north. Therefore, S. What is the position of S? If B sits in the north, V sits in the north, then what will be the position of S? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. So what is the answer? Southeast or southwest? Why everyone, most of them answered south east? Why? The correct answer is southwest only, not southeast. So here is the explanations. So answer is southwest. Next, 11th question. Count the number of cubes in the figure given. Count the number of cubes, including the hidden cubes. Some cubes are not visible from here. So all the cubes. What is the total number of cubes in this setup? There are 3 floors are there, like that you can say that this is first floor, this is first floor, or you can say that ground floor, or you can say that this is a first floor, this is second floor, this is third floor. Third floor, how many cube? Only 1. In the second floor, how many cube? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then under this, therefore, the second floor is 5. In the first floor, how many cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way also 5. 1 is common. So therefore, 5 plus 5, 10. So therefore, this is 9. So therefore, the answer is what? 15. 15 is the answer. Fine. So the total number of cubes in this system, in this setup, is 15. Good. Many answered correctly. What is the answer? An elevator has a capacity of 12 adults. So assume that this is an elevator. This is a capacity. Either 12 adults can go or 20 children can go. Capacity. Its capacity is 13 adults cannot go. The elevator will not move. Similarly, 21 children cannot go. Overweight. How many adults can board the elevator with 15 children? Already 15 children are there. Then how many adults can join with them? That's the question. So therefore, 15 children is equal to how many? So 15 children is equal to 15 into 3 by 5. So therefore, 3. So therefore, this means 9 adult. So 15 children is equal to 9 adult. When 15 children is equal to 9 adult, so therefore, totally 12 adults can be accommodated. So therefore, already 9 adults equivalent children are there. So therefore, 3 more adults can be accommodated. Therefore, the answer is 3. 20 children is 12 adult. Then 1 children is equal to 12 by 20 adult. Now 15 children is equal to 12 by 20 into 15. So how many adults? So 15 children is equal to 9 adults. Therefore, 3 more adults can be accommodated. Find the missing number. Find the missing number. Missing number means find this one. What number will appear in this place? What number? I told you in the very first class, you must memorize square of 25 numbers and cubes of at least 12 numbers. This all looks like a cube. We know that 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27, 5 cube is 125, 7 cube is 343, 9 cube is 729. So now tell me the answer. What is the answer? So 1 cube is 1, but instead of 1, 2 is there. 3 cubes. Here numbers are written in this way. So this is 1 cube plus 1, 2 3 cube, odd number cube plus 1, then 5 cube plus 1, then 7 cube plus 1, then 9 cube plus 1. Therefore, this must be 11 cube plus 1. What is 11 cube? 11 cube you must know, you must memorize. I told you already, you must memorize 1 square to 25 squared. Memorize. What is 17 squared? You must be in a position to say what is 17 squared, 289, not by multiplying the two numbers 17 into 17. So in competitive examination, the only problem is the lack of time. You are supposed to do everything faster. Similarly, 1 cube to 12 cube you must memorize. So had you not memorized, then it is very difficult to find what will be these, what are these numbers stands for, why these numbers are there like that. So therefore 11 cube is 1331 plus 1, so therefore the answer is 1332. Understood? Next question. 14th question. Among P, Q, R, S, T and U, R is taller than only P and U. S is shorter than only T and Q. If each of them is a different heights, understand? So each of them different heights means none of them are equal heights. All different heights, these 6 persons. Who among them will be the third from the top when they are arranged in descending? Descending means what? Descending means higher to lower. Ascending means lower to higher. So descending means top. Higher. Higher is top. Here lower. You have to arrange and answer this question. Who will be the third from top when they are arranged in descending? Third from top. Take your time. What is the answer? See, R is taller than P. R is taller than only P and U. When R is taller than means, so R must be above. Here P and U is there. I do not know whether it is P and U or U then P. S is shorter than T and Q. S is shorter than only T and Q. So S is shorter than only T and Q means T and Q are Q and T then S. So therefore, with this statement itself is sufficient. S is shorter than only T and Q. Therefore, if you write them in the higher to lower order, then S will be third from the top. S will be third from the top. So therefore the answer is yes. Yes, very good. Next question. What is the answer for this? E, F, G. This means, this is called syllogism. These two are related in similar way. This and this should be related. So what is this? These two are related in the same manner. This and another, these three alphabets are related. So which of these three alphabets? From the option, 4 options. E, F, G is related to V, U, T. So if I write in A, B, C, D, then E is A, B, C, D, E. E is 5th letter from the first. Similarly here, you see U, V, W, X, Y, Z. V is 5th letter from the end. So therefore, E is 5th letter from this left end and V is 5th letter from the right end. Similarly, F and U also, G and T also. So, what is K? K is similar. So I have given you the clue. So answer the question. Very good. The answer is PON. PO. Most of them answered correctly. Almost everyone answered correctly. If plus means divide, So plus means division, minus means multiplication. This means minus, this means plus, then what is the value of this? Therefore, first interpret this one. So yes, what is plus? Plus means divide. So yes, divide 6. Minus means what? Minus means, where is my, this means, this symbol minus means multiplied. So therefore 6 into 2. This division symbol means plus. This multiplication symbols means minus. So what is the value? Apply board mass. What is board mass means? Burst division, always from left to right. The operation should be carried out from left to right. First division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So it is in the same order only. It is already given in the same order. So therefore, what is answer? Now find 8 divided by 6, 4 by 3 into 2 plus 4 minus 4. Already these two cancels. Therefore, the answer is 4 into 2 by 3. So therefore, the answer is 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 is the answer. Good, good. Next. In a class of students, Saran is 25th from the top and 32nd from bottom in a class when the total number of students in the class is. Assume that they are standing in a row. They are standing in a row in a class of students, 25th from the top and 32 from the bottom in a class. So what is the total number of students in the class? 25th from the top. So from the top, he is assumed that he is Saran. So Saran is 25th from the top. 25th, his position is 25th. Therefore, above him is 24 persons are there. Similarly, 32 from the bottom. Below him 31 persons are there. So therefore, 31 plus 1 plus 24. Therefore, the total number of students 54, 55, 56. Understood? So the answer is 56 is the answer. Such a basic questions, but many answer differently. Now understood my explanation? He is 25th from the top, therefore 24 persons above him. He is 31 from the bottom, therefore 32 from the bottom, therefore 31 persons below him. So therefore 24 plus 31 including him. So therefore the answer is 56. Next question. In a row of students, Anil is 7th from left. This is left, this is right. And J is 18 from right. Both of them interchange their position such that Anil becomes 21st from the left. How many people are there in the row? So answer these questions. Very good. Most of them answered correctly. So in a row of students, Anil is 7th from left. So Anil is 7th from left. Anil is 7th from left means 6 persons are there. J is 18 from right. So J is 18 from right. Therefore 17 persons are here. If both of them interchange their position such that Anil becomes 21 from left. When both of them interchange from their positions, that means Anil comes here and J goes here. When Anil becomes 21 from the left. Therefore, here 21 from the left means totally 21 plus this 17. Therefore, totally 38 persons are there in the row. So the answer is 38. Answer this question. So what is the answer for this? A man starts from a point and moves 9 kilometers south. So always, whenever direction related problem is there, you can do like this. This is south, this is north, this is east. Think of India. This is west. So a man starts from a point and moves 9 kilometer north. So 9 kilometers south. So 9 kilometers south. Then turns east and goes 3 kilometer He turns then south then south and walks 3 kilometer. Then moves 8 kilometer towards west 8 kilometer. 8. So 8 means this side 3, this side is 5. So now 8 kilometer towards west. How far is he from the starting point? So this is O, now A. So how far is he from the starting point? So this is 9, this is 3. So this is 9 plus 3 is 12. This is 5. So this is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, this is 12, this is 5. Therefore, this is 90 degree. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So therefore the answer is square root of 12 square plus 5 square. Square root of 144 plus 25, so 169. So therefore the answer is 13 is the answer. So answer is 13. Good. Vishnu and many answered correctly. But some answered 11, 12. That's incorrect. So the answer is 13 is the correct answer. How far is he from the starting point means that position must be the shortest distance from the initial position and the final position. This is called displacement in physics. In a code language, 1, 2, 3 means hot filtered coffee. 356 means very hot day. 589 means day and night. What will be the number very stands for? So this need not be the same. 1 need not stands for hot and 2 need not be filter, 3 need not be hot coffee. Maybe in different order. For example, see 123 hot filtered coffee, 356 very hot day. Therefore, I can find the word for hot, the number for hot. Hot appears in both. Therefore, the number which appears in both is 3. Therefore, hot is 3. Similarly, find very. See, day is common for 356 and 589. Therefore, what is day stands for? Therefore, day stands for 5. When day stands for 5, hot stands for 3 and day stands for 5. Therefore, 356 means very hot day. Therefore, this very must be equivalent to what? What is very? Very must be equivalent to 6. Understood? Vishnu. So this is a logical reasoning problem. Understood? Or I need to explain again. If needed, you can type again. I'll explain again, no problem. If understood this fine, everyone. Vishnu, Dashyant, Rahul, Balmurugan, Ram Ganesh, Vishnu, Mas. Okay, so therefore the answer for very is so this way. Sir, explain again. Okay. சொல்லுங்க தெரியலைன்னா சொல்லுங்க, தெரியலைன்னா இதுல வந்து நோ ஷை, எனக்கு தெரியலைன்னு சொல்றதுனால வந்து யூ நோ நாட், நீ நாட் ஃபீல் இன்ஃபீரியர். மற்றது வேணா சொல்லலாம், மற்ற சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் வேணாம். மேத்ஸை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் தெரியலைன்னு நீங்க சொல்றீங்க, மற்றவங்களுக்காகவாவது நீங்க சொல்றீங்க. நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது, பட் யார் சொல்றதுன்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. பட் அட்லீஸ்ட் யூஸ் மெசேஜ். உங்களுக்கு மட்டும் தெரியலைன்னு அர்த்தம் கிடையாது, நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியல. ஏன்னா ஒரே ஒருத்தர் 2 பேர் தான் ஆன்சரே கரெக்டா பண்ணியிருந்தீங்க. அப்போ அது மீன்ஸ் மற்றவங்களுக்கு தெரியலன்னு தான் அர்த்தம். வெரி குட் பாலமுருகன். ஓகே, இப்போ பாருங்க, ஐ வில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் அகைன். சி, எனக்கு என்ன தெரியணும் அப்படின்னா, ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஃபைண்ட் வாட் இஸ் த வெரி ஸ்டாண்ட்ஸ் ஃபார். அதான கொஸ்டின். வெரி. சி, இத கோட் லாங்குவேஜ். தட் மீன்ஸ் இன் கோட் லாங்குவேஜ் 1, 2, 3 மீன்ஸ் someone say 123. That means hot filtered coffee. This need not be, 1 need not be for hot and 2 need not be for filtered, maybe in any order. Please note that 123 is hot filtered coffee and 356 is Very hot day. Now tell me, hot represent what, which number? Balamurian, tell me, hot represent which number? Because hot appears in both here, hot filtered, this expression hot is appear in common both expression. Now tell me the which number, which digit is common in the both these numbers 123 and 356 3. So therefore hot must be 3. Similarly, very hot day and day and night. Therefore here day is common. So once I find for hot and day, then I can find very. So therefore now by combining 356 and 589, I find already I know that hot is 5. So therefore what is common to both 356 and 589? 5. So what is common to very hot day and night? Therefore day must be what? Day must be 5. When day is 5, hot is 3, therefore very should be what? Very should be 6. Understood? So therefore this is one of the critical reasoning questions they'll ask in the competitive examinations. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு நிறைய இது வந்து பின்னாடி எக்ஸாம்ஸில் NTSC அந்த மாதிரி டேலண்ட்ல இருக்கும். ஸோ கொஞ்சம் லோயர் ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் மற்றவங்களுக்கு இப்போ இதே ஒரு ப்ராக்டிஸ், ஸோ தட் நீங்கள் வந்து மற்ற இதை நீங்கள் அட்டன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். வில் மீட் இன் த நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ். தேங்க்யூ. குட் நைட். ரீட் டெய்லி. கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு, ஸ்கூல் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. Finish the portions the day itself. If you have any doubts in mathematics or any subject also, you can just message me also. I will also help. Don't send for the easy questions, basic questions. If you have any problem in mathematics, especially tougher problems, difficult one, then you can message. Don't send basic questions and all. Okay. Thank you.